it's Millie from UPDo, and welcome to another episode all about freelancing. Is it going to cost you anything in order to get work freelancing online? Well, yes it will. These platforms, Upwork and other freelance sites, they want to make money. So obviously it's not going to be completely free for you. It is free to make an account and it is free to look at different jobs and to browse them, but the moment that you want to apply to a job, it's going to cost you. So how much does it cost to get started? You can get started for really cheap. Let's look at the fees. So Upwork is the biggest platform and I'm just going to look at their fees. The other ones have different fees, but most of them are pretty similar. So having a basic membership is free. And what's a basic membership? It's an account with a profile. You're not going to have a custom URL, so it's not going to be upwork.com/your name. It's going to be / some number or something that they invent. Which is not vital straight off the bat to have your own unique name there. And some other features, small things like being able to see what other people charge on a project that you're bidding on. That's of course useful if you want to be competitive, and that you won't have with a free membership. But you definitely can get started with a free membership. The next level membership is $15 a month, and then you can have your own custom URL with your name and be able to see what other people are charging on a project, what they're asking for when they're applying to a project, that is. Okay, so aside from the membership, there are also some fees and costs. So the Upwork platform takes 5% to 20% of your earnings. And why 5% to 20%? When you're getting started and you haven't earned a lot of money, they're going to take 20% of everything that you earn. And you can see it all explained here on this page. So until you earn $500, they charge you 20%. As soon as you earned over 500, but below 10,000, they only charge you 10%. And once you earn over $10,000, they charge you 5%. So as they say here, a 20% fee means if you earn $600, they take off $110, and you're left with $490. Now that's a lot of money that they take off, of course, and that's a bit painful, but they do enable you to get work, and what you can do is charge a bit more than what you want to earn, so it covers their fees. And you're still left with the amount of money that you originally wanted. So if you want $5 an hour, then just up it by another 20% to cover their fees. Okay, now they also have something called connects, and a connect costs 15 cents. What is a connect? Well, it's basically something that you need to use like a credit when you want to apply to a project and apply to the job. And recently they changed some of their pricing this month, actually 2 days ago. It's right now April 2020. And some jobs, if they have good pay and better terms, like a long-term job, they require up to 6 connects. So that means you'll be paying 15 cents to 90 cents each time you want to apply to a job, depending how attractive that job is. And it's usually going to be 90 cents because the 15 cents is for tiny jobs like $40, a really small job like that. If you want something that pays a few hundreds or a decent amount per hour, then you're going to have to pay almost $1 to apply to that job. So if you want to apply to 20 jobs, it's going to cost you $20, more or less. Another thing that you can do is, of course, make a very attractive profile. And sometimes clients search for people to invite to a project. And if they invite you to that project, then it's free for you to apply to the project. So if your budget is very limited and you only have $20, let's say, to apply to different jobs, choose the most attractive jobs, ones that you think you have a good chance to get chosen for because of your skills, the way you present yourself. If the job says you need 5 years experience and you don't have any experience and you're not going to be lying to them about your experience, which is a bad thing to do, never do that, then you want to apply to a different job because unlikely they're going to choose you. And you'll just spend your money on jobs which you're not qualified for or you don't have a chance to get accepted for. So after spending that $20, for instance, on 20 different, or maybe 30, depending what they cost, different jobs that you want to apply to, then aside from that, you can sit back and wait for people to invite you to the projects, and maybe you're lucky and some do that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials, and visit updoacademy.com to discover many ways to make money online, including how to generate a passive income, even when you're not working every hour.